Can you start freelancing while working a full-time job? Short answer, yes. In fact, that's exactly how I would do it. Hindi ako agad magre-resign. Isa yan sa pinakamalaking mistakes na nakikita ko. Maraming tao ang gustong tumalon agad sa freelancing nang wala pang clients o stable income. Instead, gagamitin ko ang full-time job ko bilang financial safety net. Habang binubuo ko ang freelancing career ko, mas mababa ang pressure, mas malinaw ang decisions. After work, maglalaan ako ng 1 to 2 hours every day. Hindi para manood ng endless tutorials, kundi para gumawa ng portfolio, mag-improve ng isang high-income skill, at mag-send ng quality proposals o mag-reach out sa potential clients. Consistency beats intensity. Kahit maliit ang progress bawat araw, malaking difference ang nagagawa nito after a few months. Kapag nakakakuha na ako ng first client, hindi pa rin ako agad magre-resign. Sisiguraduhin ko munang consistent na ang freelancing income ko. Ideally, kaya na nitong bayaran ang monthly expenses ko ng ilang buwan. Doon pa lang ako mag-iisip na gawing full-time ang freelancing kasi ang goal isn't just to quit your job. No, the goal is to build a career that lasts. Remember this. Hindi mo kailangang pumili agad sa pagitan ng trabaho at freelancing. Pwede mong pagsabayin habang binubuo mo ang future na gusto mo. Start where you are, use what you have. At kapag handa ka na, that's the best time to make the leap. I'm Chris. Follow for practical freelancing and online business tips that help you land clients and grow your income.